Hey cruise lovers, welcome back to Travel Tips and Recommendations with Nikki and Tommie. Tommie and I have served our country and now are proud Army retirees.
But now, travel is our life. We are certified travel advisors and are the owners of our travel agency called Jones Getaways by Dream Vacations.
Hi, I'm Nikki, and in this video we provide tips on how to choose the best cruise for you.
And I'm Tommie. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
We're talking about how to pick the perfect ocean and river cruise that matches your style, preferences, and of course your budget.
Yeah. Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor like myself,
Okay,
her too.
season.
These tips will help you pick a cruise that is just right for you.
Tip number one, know your cruise style. First, you got to decide, are you an ocean cruiser or a river cruiser? So how do you decide?
Don't worry. We got you. Ocean cruises are like floating cities, and I mean that literally. You've got everything. You've got pools, you got shows, you got multiple dining options, you got shops, you got casinos. And if you're into variety and big destinations like the Caribbean or the Mediterranean, then you're an ocean cruising person.
Casinos.
Yeah. Then there's that.
Yeah. But now if you are the type that prefers something more intimate, laid back, and cultural, maybe a river cruise is calling your name. You know, river cruises tend to be much smaller with fewer passengers, down from thousands to a couple hundred. And if they sail through cities like Budapest and Amsterdam. So you just step off the ship and you're right in the heart of the city.
It's true. And no casinos.
Yeah.
Tip number 2, consider your destination. Where do you want to go? This is huge because the destination often helps you decide which type of cruise will I need, ocean or river cruise.
Yeah, so if you want a tropical vibe, ocean cruises are perfect. Think about the Caribbean, the Mexico, the Eastern Caribbean, Western Caribbean, Southern, or Hawaii. Yes, please. But if you want to explore the old town, the castles, European river cruises may be for you.
Yeah.
You can sail up to 5 countries in one sailing.
Absolutely. And hey, if you want to be adventurous, try an expedition cruise to Antarctica. You can wave at penguins and sip on cocoa. Hot chocolate for you not so sophisticated types.
Tip number 3, size matters.
Right.
And not your shoe collection.
Ballin'!
But the size of the ship will absolutely impact your entire experience.
Yeah, that's true. Big ships are fantastic, don't get me wrong. If you love seeing lots of people, entertainment, endless activities, and people watching as well, and remember that floating city we talked about earlier, think of cruise lines like Royal Caribbean or Norwegian, the big dogs. There's always something going on aboard those ocean cruises.
Yeah, but if you're looking for something smaller, cozier, and a little quieter, something where you don't have to people or elbow your way to the breakfast buffet, smaller ship might be your vibe. So some river cruises like Alma Waterways and Avalon Waterways, they have that luxury boutique feel. But there are smaller ocean cruise lines that sail, they give you that same feel like Seabourn or Windstar.
Yeah, that's true. I don't have a problem elbowing, I don't mind. I'm going to get my food.
Yeah, right.
Tip number 4, what's your cruising style? Are you the type that loves to dress up fancy for dinner, or are you a flip-flops, poolside, margarita kind of person?
If you love a little glitz and glam, like Carnival, for instance, yes, Carnival have their formal nights, and a lot of people do enjoy going there and dress to the nines.
Oh, they do.
But if you like to rock a sundress or hit the beach, there's options like Virgin Voyages where you can still have that luxury feel, but you don't have to dress up all out like that.
And plus, think about the vibe you want, the age group. Some ships cater to families, some ships cater to adults only, like Virgin. Choose wisely.
Yeah. Tip number 5, budget, baby. So let's talk about dollars and cents. Cruises can range from affordable to all-out luxury, so figure out what you're comfortable spending. Cruises can range from as low as $500 per person to $12,000 plus per person.
Yeah, And please remember this, when looking at the cost of a cruise, the price of the cruise doesn't just include the cabin. You know, most of the time it covers your meals, it covers the entertainment on board, and some activities. That's a lot of bang for your buck.
Yeah, and don't forget to factor in excursions, your drink package, travel insurance, and maybe even a spa day or two into your total cost. So it can add up fast.
That's true. It can add up fast, but if you're planning, you're aware of what you're spending, and it won't be a big surprise.
Yeah.
And there you have it. 5 tips to help you pick your perfect cruise for you.
So whether you're sailing the high seas or drifting along a calm river, the most important thing is to contact us and let us assist you with finding that cruise that excites you. And here's a simple phrase to remember. Ocean cruises take you to countries and river cruises take you through them.
Absolutely. And if you found these tips helpful, or if you're now dreaming of your next cruise, hit that subscribe button and join the Jones Getaways crew.
Thank you for watching Travel Tips and Recommendations with Nikki and Tommie. We'll see you on the next adventure, maybe even on the next cruise ship.
Bye.